Hope you're okay. I thought we'd use the Kuretake, the Art Nouveau set. I've got my cold press watercolor paper all taped down, medium-sized brush, and I thought it'd be kind of nice to do a bit of a landscape. So I'm just going to pick my favorite colors and just bring the color down the page. Sort of making a valley shape here. The kind of greeny blue there. I want to fill these in. I'll use that greeny blue there. And then I'm going to go in for, I think maybe this red colour. Bring that down, see what that looks like. I'm going to let them all merge, these colours. Bring that sort of across like that. Doing the other side. And I think I'm going to go for this denim-y kind of blue. Again, let the colours merge. Maybe a bit more of that blue, I think. Like that. A bit of pink. Always like a bit of pink. Bring the colours across. I'm going to grab a bit more of that. And this lovely red. Bring that down. You see the colour then? That was amazing. It really, really good the way it just sort of crossed the page. Okay, and I'm going to go for a bit of a blue sky. So I'm going to put these in. Colours are going to merge. I'm just going to let that happen. Bring it down. Could have done with a bit of a bigger brush, I think. But it's okay. Here. Don't know whether I like that colour because that colour is blue there. So I'm going to pick up some green. Put that in. Okay, so we're going to let that dry. So this is where the fun all begins. I've got my favourite Staedtler thick gold pen and I'm just identifying those lines and just outlining them, and then also outlining the tape that we've put down, the masking tape. And I've doodled some gold trees onto that landscape horizon, and I've grabbed a black fine liner pen and I'm doing some more little trees. Just whatever pops into your mind, just get that down onto the page. Doodle art is about you just letting your feelings go and just going with the flow and seeing what happens. You might want to take inspiration from other artists, or you may want to take inspiration from nature, but it's just about you going with your feelings really and just seeing what happens. So I'm just outlining those gold trees. I thought it would just make them look a little bit more bolder, and I've added some lines onto those supposed fields there, and then I'm just putting these little circles on sticks. I don't really know what they are, but I really quite like doing them, so I thought, well, let's get a set of 3 on there. And then I've picked up my gold pen again and just thought, let's do some dotty kind of fun across the page. And again, I've got the black fine liner, adding those lines around, makes that gold pop out, just a bit more prominent there. And then doing these triangle little shapes. I thought this looked a little bit like a windmill on the landscape, and adding some lines to it. And then I thought, well, I like that shape, let's add a couple here, and this can be some kind of tree form there. And I thought, once I'd done that one, I thought, well, why not add some more onto the page? More the better, I thought. So you may want to pick these colours, or you may want to choose your own. You may want to use the same kind of pens I've got, or you may want to change it up and use some really bright colourful pens. I think anything will work with this. It really doesn't matter. Like I've said earlier, it's just about you having a bit of fun, and that's all I'm doing really. This isn't going to be something that I'm going to put up on the wall, but I'm just enjoying my time, just doodling and thinking of shapes that I can get down onto the page. So I've grabbed the white Posca pen and I'm adding some little dotty fun again across the page. And then I looked at my page and I thought, well, I could add a little bit more by circling some of the objects with the white Posca pen. So just circling them there and adding some lines of dots. I thought, oh, these look like floaty bubbles, really. Maybe not quite landscape, but I just thought, well, I quite like them, so let's just get them on the page. I've grabbed a Uniball Gold broad pen and outlining the shapes that are on the horizon there, just because I felt that that's what was needed. No other reason, not thinking about it. And then thought, well, what else can I do? Let's add some lines onto the white marks that I've made around the circles. So continuing, finding all of those white marks, seeking them out and adding these lines across there. So I've grabbed the white Posca pen again and looked at the gold trees and thought, well, they look a bit bland now. Let's add some little white marks onto those. And then the gold lines coming down, grab the black pen and adding some little lines. So it's just going with whatever pops into my head. And because I'm enjoying myself, I just think, well, what else can I put down? And just finding an excuse to put it down and not worrying too much about it. So adding these white lines that mimic the black lines going across that gold pen. And then when I'd done that, I thought, oh, right, okay, what else? Okay, let's just do some dots on the gold. Why not on that border there? And then once I'd done that, I was like, oh, okay, what else can I do? And then I grabbed my black fine liner and thought, right, let's get some black circles around those white marks. I know it'll make it pop. And it's sort of half on, half off the tape. But I thought, well, that'll look quite interesting. When you pull the tape away, you'll get sort of half circle shapes there. Again, finding white marks. It's just building up on what I've already put there and just encircling that. So I've heated up my tape and I'm pinning it away. And I'm just going to reveal the picture and I'll bring it up to the screen so you can see the lovely detail there. And it's been a whole load of fun. As you saw, really easy to do, so I hope you get to try this. Really fun, easy to do. And if you like this, maybe you'll consider liking, maybe you'll subscribe, maybe you'll leave me a comment and I'll come straight back to you. Always look at my comments. Love hearing from you. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.